Welcome back to Standard 6 Science Digital class. Let's continue lesson number 11, Work and Energy. In previous videos, we have learned about work and energy and mechanical energy, which is potential and kinetic energy. Now today we will learn about heat energy, light energy, sound energy, chemical energy and electrical energy. Now we will learn about heat energy. The earth receives heat in the proper quantities from sun. Sun is the main source of heat energy. Heat is produced by burning of fuel. Heat energy is used in the kitchen all the time. Heat is measured in the unit calorie. Let us try this experiment. Take a convex lens as shown in the picture. This is convex lens and hold it over a sheet of paper in sunlight. Now move the lens in such a way that there is a tiny spot of light on the paper. Hold the lens in this position for a while. What will happen? Yes, the heat energy from the sun is focused on a spot and it burns the paper, creating a hole at that spot. You can try this experiment with the help of your parents. Now we will learn about light energy. Light is an energy that we can see. The sun is our main source of energy from which we get light. Three sources of light energy is from the sun are fire and electricity. We have learned that plants make their own food with the help of sunlight. It means that light energy is transferred into the energy of food. Plants use this food for doing their work. So it means light is form of energy. You have learned this process of photosynthesis, in which plants prepare their own food by using sunlight. Yes, now we will learn about next energy. Now we will learn about sound energy. Observe this picture. Sound is a form of energy as it performs work. For example, loudspeaker, radio, musical instrument create sound. Some sounds are pleasant while some sounds are harsh. Means they are not pleasant. Observe this picture. You might have seen the glass panes of window crack due to a loud noise. Observe this crack. It happened due to loud noise. Next example of sound is used to control the movement of some toy cars. It means some work is done by sound. So it tells us that sound is a form of energy. Now we will learn about chemical energy. What is chemical energy? The energy produced due to chemical actions is called chemical energy. For example, when wood burns, we get heat and light. Sometimes we hear crackling sound also. What makes this happen? The energy stored in wood is emitted in various forms through chemical action. For example, we get coal and ash after burning the wood. Other examples of chemical energy are food and pencil cell. Now, next example. This is lead acid battery. By using this battery, we can produce electricity. This lead acid battery also used in cars. Use your brain power and give the answer of following question. In which form is energy stored in plant food? We know that by using sunlight, plants prepare their own food. So which type of energy is stored in plant? Yes, the plants store energy in the form of chemical energy. Now next question. How is energy obtained from cooking gas? We know that in cooking gas there is a chemical energy. So how is energy obtained from cooking gas? Chemical energy is stored in cooking gas. When the gas is used, this chemical energy is transformed into heat energy and we can cook food on cooking gas. Now we will learn about transformation of energy. Observe the working of various appliances we use such as fan, lamp, mixer, TV, radio, refrigerator, washing machine, etc. In which form is energy supplied to various appliances to make them work? Yes. All these appliances work on electricity. It means the energy obtained from electricity is called electrical energy. Transformation of energy takes place when work is done. Let us see some examples. First, water cycle that you have studied earlier. Water evaporates due to heat of the sun. This water forms cloud and comes back in the form of rain. Rainwater flows into river and stored in dam. As the water stored at height, it has potential energy stored in it. This potential energy transferred into kinetic energy when the water falls downward on the turbine. When turbine rotates, kinetic energy converted into electrical energy. This electrical energy is used in many household appliances. It is transferred into light energy on lighting a bulb. When we start a fan, electrical energy converted into kinetic energy. Other examples are television. Electrical energy is converted into sound and light energy by a television. Next example, mixer. Electrical energy is converted into mechanical and sound energy by mixer. So in this way we are indirectly utilizing solar energy which we get from sun in all these transformation of energy. So therefore sun is the most important sources of all energy. Let us take a quick recap. Today we have learned various forms of energy such as heat energy, light energy, sound energy, chemical energy and electrical energy. In next video we will learn about energy resources. Thank you.